Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the best chocolate chip cookies. Now come on over, I'm going to show you. Hold on, I need this. So here we have 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, and then we're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and then we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And then we're just going to give that a little whisk just to combine. So now we'll go ahead and put our wet ingredients together. We're going to add 1/2 cup of light brown sugar, 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, and we're just gonna whisk it up. Give it a nice little whisk until those two sugars are incorporated. Just like so. Then we're going to go ahead and add our 1/2 cup of melted butter. We'll then add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and then a whole egg at room temperature. And then we'll just go ahead and whisk all that up together until it's nice incorporated and smooth. Just like so. Here we have both dry and wet ingredients combined together. And then we're going to go ahead and add chopped chocolate chip, about 6 ounces. And I use this brand right here. We're just going to go ahead and carefully and gently fold that over. You don't want to over mix it. You just want to give a couple swirls just to combine the chocolate with the dough. Just like that. Then what I did here is I went ahead and used the scooper. You can either use a ice cream scooper or a cookie scooper. I used my 2-inch cookie scooper, and what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and place this in a freezer just for about 10 minutes or so to freeze them up. It doesn't matter how you place them on the cookie sheet, because we're going to place them over. So I took them out of the freezer and then I placed them on a separate, different cookie sheet and then put them about 2 inches apart. And then we're going to go ahead and stick that over in the oven. We'll then preheat our oven at 350 degrees and cook them anywhere from 12 to 15 minutes. And here's our final product. Go ahead and let them rest for about 10 minutes on the cookie sheet and then transfer them over to the cooling rack. Here, as you can see, they cool down. And as you can see, here's the final product. Look at that cookie crumble. Look how chewy and chocolatey that looks. Oh my gosh, it's so delicious. Yum.